let's take a look at this beautiful 19th century leather-bound 1876 manual of the state of New York. Look at this binding. All edges are gilt, compliments of the Speaker of the Assembly, stamped in blind. Beautiful, just beautiful. At the front we have this fold-out plan of, it's a diagram of the Senate, the chamber, and the floor plan of the architecture in the building around the Senate chamber with that nice engraved seal there. And after that is also a similar large folding diagram of the Assembly chamber from 1876, like so. The title page right here it's the manual for the use of the legislature. It's printed in Albany, New York. It's in beautiful condition. It has an endless amount of information: census, a constitution of the state of New York, the Declaration of Independence is in here, an index at the front, rates of tolls for the canals, just on and on and on. Military, rules and order. But really, it's the binding that interests us. This is really a beautiful period binding, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.